If you're like most women today, you're managing a multitude of responsibilities, constantly balancing the demands of work and family, health and exercise, and even squeezing in a personal life. As multitaskers, women have learned that having a plan and learning to delegate are essential to accomplishing the things that are important to you. But sometimes, when women delegate their financial life to others they trust, that can leave them highly vulnerable when life events occur that force them into the financial driver's seat. Understanding what you have, why you have it, and how it will support and provide for you going forward is critical to your ability to manage life's inevitable events with confidence. You don't have to be good with math, economics, or investments in order to be financially prepared for what's coming. Don't wait until you're forced into that driver's seat. Let us help you build your confidence now.